Magandang araw sa lahat, welcome po ulit dito sa atin channel ang Biyahe y Comida. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe, indeed. Punta tayo sa atin topic, May 31, 2025. Charo Santos unang honorary doctorate, ng St. Paul University Manila. Gumawa ng kasaysayan ang batikang aktres at dating ABS-CBN President na si Charo Santos Concio. Siya kasi ang kauna-unahang binigyan ng honorary doctorate ng St. Paul University Manila. Iginawad sa kanya ang prestihiyosong Doctor of Humanities, honoris causa degree dahil sa kanyang exemplary leadership pagdating sa Philippine Media and Communication. Sa panayam ng ABS-CBN News, inamin ni Charo na ang nangyaring ito sa kanyang buhay ay isang surreal moment. Overwhelmed, humbled, and grateful. My gosh! I'm still having my firsts at this stage of my life, say niya sa interview. Kwento pa ng aktres, I carried the values that I learned from my school years here and of course from my childhood. I carry those values as I go through life. Sinabi rin ni Charo na inalay niya ang bagong milestone sa yumao niyang mister, he has given me, shown me, unconditional love, a lot of support. I honor him with this. And, of course, to my parents, cause all the values started from home, aniya pa. Sa Instagram post naman, nagpahayag din si Charo ng taos-pusong pasasalamat, I am profoundly grateful to St. Paul University Manila for this great honor. To be awarded the first Doctor of Humanities, honoris causa, at the SPU Manila Flor de Lis Auditorium is both deeply humbling and immensely rewarding. I truly appreciate this recognition of my journey in Philippine Media and Communications, wika pa niya. Ibinandera rin ni Charo ang naging talumpati niya para sa mga nagtapos ng Class of 2025. Binigyang diin niya ang kahalagahan ng pagkakaroon ng determinasyon, dedikasyon, at pagiging totoo sa sarili. I hope I was able to inspire a lot of our young students to pursue their goals, to stay focused on their goals, to just dream on, saad niya. Heartfelt congratulations to the class of 2025. May you step forward with purpose and passion, shaping a future that reflects your aspirations. Patuloy pa ng aktres, but never, never forget that there is no substitute for hard work, for commitment and dedication. To stay true to themselves. There's nothing like being authentic in this noisy world.
Dear Charo, now kidding aside, let me read the citation. St. Paul University Manila, St. Paul University System Incorporated, confers the degree of Doctor of Humanities, honoris causa, upon Ms. Maria Rosario Charo Santos Concio, in recognition of her exemplary leadership in Philippine media and communication, her pioneering role as President and CEO of ABS-CBN Corporation, and her enduring contribution to values-based storytelling in cinema and television. A distinguished alumna and a true Paulinian, she embodies the university's core values of Christ-centeredness, charity, integrity, humility, excellence, and truth. Given this 30th day of May 2025, during the college commencement rites of St. Paul University, Manila, signed, Sister Maria Evangeline Anastasio, SPC, University President, and Sister Emily Louise Del Castillo, SPC, Chairperson, SPU Manila, Board of Trustees.
Panoorin ang buong inspiring speech ni Ms. Charo Santos as she receives honorary doctorate from St. Paul University Manila sa ABS-CBN News at mag-subscribe. E-click ang link sa description box. At yan ang atin latest showbiz chika update for today, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe. Click the notification bell for more showbiz chika updates, like and share the video at suportahan po ang atin Facebook page. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe, indeed. Magandang buhay sa lahat, Adios.